Hey fellow DIYers, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can prevent the damage to your Mazda. This is the 2.2 diesel Skyactiv engine. This is pretty durable engine, but it has one big flaw. Basically Mazda used two thin injector seals, and over the time they just go bad and they let the fuel into the oil system, which can cause carbon pieces. For example, they go into the oil pan and the oil pump mesh can get clogged because of those, and basically your engine is deprived of oil then. I apologize for the car in the background. Now I'm going to show you how you can check if you have this same issue and how you can possibly prevent the damage if not already done. You just need to replace the injector seals by using thicker one. I'm not sure how thin the original one was, but we're gonna use 2mm one. Mazda confirmed this issue. They started to use the thicker injector seals to prevent this issue from happening. So basically all the vehicles up until 2014 or 2016, I'm not entirely sure, are having this issue. Every 2.2 Skyactiv diesel engine, and after that I think they resolved it by using the thicker injector seals. Without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna do two tests. Basically the first one is checking your engine oil level, and if you see it close to the max or over the original line when you poured it, that is basically indicating that fuel is getting into the oil system and causing this issue. So how you can check the oil? You need to park the car on the level ground and wait for 15 minutes for it to cool down. After that you just take out this oil dipstick. For the first time you need to clear it, so don't check it the first time, just clear with some towel. After that you can just put it back here. After you put it back you just take it out again. Be careful not to make a mess, and just check the oil level. As you can see, I'll try to zoom this here. The level is actually to the X mark, so it's not even close to the X mark, but it's up to the X mark, which means that this engine has a big fuel dilution in the oil system, which decreases the viscosity of the oil, and it doesn't have right properties to lubricate the engine part anymore. You can actually smell the oil, and if you feel burnt smell, that means the fuel is getting into the oil, so oil is getting burned. Okay, let's put this back. We're gonna actually start the engine just for a brief moment, because let's say every second that your engine is running can cause the bigger problems. We're gonna start and check the oil cap. I'll show you how you can do it in a minute. Let's go and start the engine. While the engine is running, you need to unscrew this oil cap all the way, but leave it on the top. And after that just take it out for a bit, and if you see this like a smoke or you feel high pressure from it, and you put the cap back and it just jumps like this. See? Like this. That means the injector seals are bad. That is another way you can check. Okay, I'm not sure how well you were able to see it, but basically if you feel air coming out and with a bit of smoke, and if the oil cap is dancing around, that means the injectors are letting the gases into the oil system, which can cause the oil cap to dance around, and that is why you see those air puffs. We can resolve this, as I said, by replacing the injector seals, but that is not all, because you don't know how much damage was already done. We also need to drop the oil pan. Depending on how much carbon deposits we find, we can know how much or how little damage was done to the engine. In these cases you will 100% get the error code, which indicates the low oil pressure. That means the oil is diluted too much and doesn't have enough lubrication, or the oil pump mesh is blocked and it doesn't have enough oil pressure. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.